buksan natin itong aking parcel na dumating from Amazon. Kala ko ito ay sa Tuesday pa siya darating kasi yun yung sabi. And then, dumating siya today ng maaga. Nagulat na ako. Ano lang naman to guys, case lang to ng iPhone 16. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ang mahal nga dito, di ba? Nabanggit ko nga. O-order din dapat ako, di ba, nung case ng aking iPhone 11. Kaso nga ang mahal. Tingnan nyo, may ganito na siya. So, buksan natin. Wala na ba naman? Wala na. Papel. Resibo. So, ito pala, in-order namin case ay may screen protector na siya. Dapat screen protector lang yung bibilhin ko. Kasi si Mr. nga, binilhan na ako ng case sa Apple Store. Kaso sabi niya, bakit hindi daw ako bumili ng case? Nakita nga kasi namin, may mga magkakasama na. Kaya ito na lang yung in-order din namin. So, open natin. Ano kasi ito talaga actually? Dalawang screen protector or tempered glass sa atin sa Pinas. So, ito siya. 1, 2. Sana walang damage. And then, yung sa lens. 1, 2. Open natin later. Tapos, ito yung case. Maganda rin yung case, guys. So, okay. Open muna natin itong. Hindi nyo pala ako kita. Siya. Walang damage. Ito yung isa. So, yan. So, may spare ako for later. Sa Pinas na ako magpapalit ng case ng iPhone 11 Pro. Mahal-mahal kasi dito. So, ito yung sa lens. Dalawa din. In total, magkano nga ba to in total? Nasaan na yung resibo? Ito. Total, ang binayaran ni Mr. ay 25.42 pounds. So, dalawang lens. So, ayan. And then, ito pang linis. Para paglagay natin later. And then, ito na yung pinaka-case. Maganda rin pala siya, guys. Ano lang to, clear lang. So, may plastic siya dito. Wala siyang mag-safe. Yung ganito, oh. Mag-safe ang tawag yata dyan. So, wala siya. So, mamaya ko na to ikakabit. Since you were here, so you can look after her if she walks up.
Okay.
It's like that.
Where's the pump? In the fridge?
Yes.
Oh! I wasn't looking there. Let me put this away.
I'm gonna do the vlog so I can continue. Yeah, I want to cook this. Corn beef. Uy, we have a corn beef, yeah? And then buttermurger. We have to go to Filipino shop for rice and for my lumpia wrapper and for my siomai wrapper. Yeah? Uy. Boil water. Puto pao.
The corned beef? Here.
Yeah. So guys, maluluto ko na itong aking puto. Pwede naman sana siya na ganito lang, puto. Pero dahil may corned beef kami sa ref, gagawin ko itong nasa likod, puto pao, para masarap. Ito yung aming corned beef. Mag-slice lang ako ng kaunti. Hindi ng water kaya. Ayan. Natapon ng basura si Mister. So walang masyadong basura view. Yeah. Tikas. Ito yung aking baby. Masarap nitong corned beef na to, guys. Sa Aldi lang namin yan binili. Pero masarap siya. So, okay na siya, guys. So, ayan. Ang ganda niya na. Papatayin ko na yung apoy. Medyo na-dry na yung ating corned beef. So, okay na siya, guys. Medyo na-dry na yung ating corned beef. And then, i-ready ko na yung ating molding. Mukha naman siyang sturdy. Yan. Buti may mga ganito ako, guys. Oh. Dinala ko din to. Galing sa Pinas. Kasi parang wala din ako nakitang ganito dito. And then, ito, dito na to binili namin ni Miss. Okay, that's ready. Puto pao. Ilan kaya ang kasya dito? Tingnan ko nga. Ilan na ang kasya. Ayoko siyang pagdikit-dikitin kasi nga nade-deform. Pagdikit-dikit ang pangit. So, kasya sa kanya ay 2, 4, 6, 7. Nakulo na agad yung ating tubig. Ang bilis. So, itong filling muna ang ilalagay natin. Yes. Siyan. So, yan. 1. So, ayan. Isasalang ko na to, guys. Unang batch. Nalagyan ko ng cloth yung takip para hindi mag-mix. So, isa-isang batch lang gagawin. Okay na siya, guys. Lagyan natin dito. Ako dumikit. Dumikit siya sa lagayan. Ito na itsura, guys. Ganda niya. Diba? Diba? Bakit ganyan ang pagkakas? Tingnan natin, guys, ang itsura. So, ito buksan natin. Ay, basa. Ay! Ah, it looks nice, oh. Ang init. Ang sarap niya, guys. Tinikman ko na. So, ayan yung loob niya. Kalat-kalat yung corn beef. It's good. Ang sarap. Nakain pa ko ng isa, guys. Ang sarap. Ang lakas ng TV eh. Dumikit lang sa paper cup.
I owe you an apology, Penfold. I broke my promise.
I guess saving the world comes first.
No, Penfold. Friendship comes first.
Shame we didn't earlier.
Okay, aalis ulit kami, guys. Kami ay maglalakad-lakad sa Leyland Park. Dito lang yun around sa amin.
Left onto Dunkirk Lane, B5248.
Hello. Hello, hello.
I'm sure some people look for things coming rather than
In 200 yards, at the
looking
roundabout,
to see.
take the first...
I'm going to go in there,
Inside?
park the car first.
Okay.
So I've put in Warden Park car park.
Okay. So it's not far, isn't it?
No.
Warden Park, South Ribble.
You have arrived.
You have a
I
oh,
wasn't
lots
the
of
only one that thought of the idea, was I?
because it's sunny, people are out. So we're here. Someone's still sleeping.
I think these are going, but the black car is
Stealing.
waiting. And I think the man,
Puno pala ang parking dito. Hmm? Oh, I think that one is leaving. So you have to go and wait there. Lipat ni Mr. yung van. Mas maluwag daw dito sa lilipatan niya. Ay, lamig. Ang anak ko hindi ko nadala ng blanket. Shucks. Nang puno sa likod ko, guys. Feel na feel ang autumn. Look at the trees behind me.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Ang ganda nila sa camera. Oh, shucks, ang lamig. One face tracking.
Hello.
Hi. It's cold. Your lips will dry again. Her lips.
We'll go down the meander, look.
Oh, ang lamig. What is it?
The trees.
Yeah, it's nice. You feel cold? Ang lamig. It's so cold.
Oh, I know why there's so many here.
Hmm?
You don't have to pay
Pay for?
for parking.
I thought you paid. I thought you pay for
Not
parking.
having a proof book.
I thought you pay for a parking.
No, just to display a ticket.
Oh.
Which way? This way? This way?
Freezing. Look at that dog playing like Veda. It's cold, isn't it? You must have the blanket.
I don't need blanket, Mama. I've got my furry coat on. Yeah.
Ow!
Oh, really, Mama's too over. Come on, let's go.
We are now. Why you keep facing truck? The camera, I keep tracking my face.
5 or 6 minutes old, and this one's only 2.
And she is already big. Oh, they are nice. Oh, lamig.
Some sun coming your way in a moment. Yeah. Nice sun. Steady, where'd you take me?
Is she okay? Look at those ducks. Oh. Oh, I'm so cold. I'm freezing. You're walking too fast. You walk too fast.
Too fast.
Yeah.
Walk too slow.
The tripod with the DJI that was stolen. It's nice because it's quite long. I think it's 4 to 5 extendable. And this is only 3. Hello? You cold? Look at that. Her eyes. The eyelid look like pink. Oh, this is nice. Think so. Nash just kept asking me if you have basketball court here. I said, I don't think so.
They tend to play indoors. Yeah, we could find out.
Like a teddy dog. Keep looking. Yeah.
busy.
No, she was after a squirrel.
Oh, was she?
Yeah.
She doesn't
It's gone up to
understand.
the top.
She doesn't understand where they go. Like I was constantly chasing something. There was something there.
Someone wants some milk. Someone wants some milk. Hello. Are you okay? You don't feel cold? Are you
Touch your
sure?
cheek.
I cannot because I'm already
You
freezing.
Touch, no, you're warm. Touch your cheek.
I like
In the sun, it's lovely.
It's the same. It's freezing. Hello. She's so cute. Oh, there's mosquito. Lots mosquitoes.
When I said we have to go to the car park.
That is the gate. Yeah, that way so. Ah, it's cold. What do you call Warden Park? Warden Park.
Warden, yeah.
It's nice and big. And it's sunny today. May sikat ng araw pero malamig pa din. So, still freezing. How many degrees today?
Now,
12? Yeah?
the light going through the trees.
Can you just see her? She's getting pink.
Oh, what?
I need to make a milk for her.
You can smell it?
Milk.
You're hungry?
She'll be.
You're hungry? Have to go back to the car then.
Hello? You like the sun? We're going.
Going over a bump. Are you ready?
Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. She's
Well, I
dancing.
wasn't the only one that had the idea of coming here. Was it?
Because of the sun. Today is Monday. Nagpapainit ang tao. Because it's sunny. It's still cold.
Who's up?
Hello. Hello.
I like
Look
this
at that
position.
nose. Look at that
Look
nose.
how her hair looks ginger now.
Hello. Are you cold, little one? Hello. Mama's freezing. And you were not. Hello. No. Don't lick that. Gutom. Gutom ang baby. We're home and it's so cold. It's so cold out there, isn't it? Hello. How are you? Did you enjoy that? Oi. Did you enjoy it? Hello. You okay? Are you okay? Yes? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Hello. You're so pretty. You're so pretty and cute. It's his turn. Papa's we're gonna cook some dinner.
Small plate, big plate.
4
Rice.
big. Papa is
Is
so
it your
loud.
fries? Just your fries.
Enough. Tako ng fries. Hello. Tabi nga yung ulo mo, bebe. Papa is too loud. Uy. She's watching you. Look at the head. What are you looking at? Okay. Is this sleep? Partially. She's sleepy.
I think so.
Are you asleep? Hmm. Yeah. How many beetroot left there? I think it's only 1, 2.
No, just one.
Okay.
Use it up.
Yeah.
Rev it out.
She don't want in the basket. Go to Papa, baby. Look nice.
Do you want salad dressing on there? Have a look in the fridge.
What salad dressing, Pat Hub? That's nice. Where is it? This is our salad
You
dressing.
probably had Caesar the same as that.
This one? This one?
Which one you want? Vinaigrette or... I think vinaigrette would be better. But if you put them both on the table, you can choose.
Yeah. Okay, we can choose. No, I think she look like this one.
Yeah, I think
Why?
you put Caesar on.
Caesar. Mm. Hindi na to aabot sa lamesa. Kinakain ko na yung lettuce. Ang tamis, guys. Tara na guys sa table. At doon na lang natin wait yung food. So this little one doesn't want being in the basket. So the pizza that my husband's cooking still need to be a bit longer in the oven. So maybe he's gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. So my husband says that he thinks that this little one, she enjoyed being outside walking around the park. But the thing is really cold and freezing. I always freezing, even though it's 12 degrees. So I still feel cold. Yeah. Oh no, you want me? You need to be in the basket. Thank you. Dami ng fries. Lagyan natin ng iba kay Mister. We have to put some other here. Because these are a lot. Look like mine is burned. Look at the heart. I think it's overcooked. It's crispy. Tigas? Pag si Mister nagluluto ng fries, parang ang tigas-tigas. Sana luto na yung pizza, guys. Ang tagal. Nainip ako. Bakit? Hagan, pizza. I'm really sweaty. We're eating, but you were not, isn't it? Is that what you're saying?
Because you had yours earlier. Yes. when you get your teeth, then you can have some fries.
She's listening.
And we promise at some point we will take you to McDonald's and you can have an Happy Meal. And then I think we'll have to take you to Jollibee as well. Otherwise Mama will not be happy. And you'll have to have rice.